So here I am in my corn patch. There's some corn there. This is an Indian corn that I got from, I think I can walk in here, although I got a bunch of beans growing down in here. This is just my wild garden. I just throw seeds down and put cover crops and then throw seeds down. And look, oh yeah, the beans are crawling up. The corn, got a lot of corn forming. And some of these I think are cane. I planted some cane and some corn together, Indian corn and cane. There's a lot of beans in here. This was a really terrible soil here, and I'm trying to improve the soil in this big garden here. I have to back up so you can get a good idea. Here's a datura. That's a wild datura plant. And a lot of catnip here. Looks like the catnip took over this area. I got beans, and here's the other side of the corn. We got a lot of wind. Look how the locust trees are just turning. They always turn this brown color really fast. That's a locust grove back there. And there's black walnut. And I got too many black walnuts here. And here's my spiral garden that went totally bananas nuts. I just haven't gotten around to doing something. I have a lot of great mints in here though. This is a great spearmint. I forgot what that herb is, but I got one of those nice plants. I presume this is goldenrod, and that's supposed to be very healing. Oh yeah, look at this. This is ready to harvest. This is, look at the color. It's sort of weird on this. There's much more green than that. Look how brown it looks. Anyway, this is lemon balm, or Melissa. And there's some more of those beans growing in there. And there's a, so this is pretty wild. The only thing I have in there is a, that's a mulberry that I've got protected because the deer were tearing it up. Now it's growing pretty good. So this is going to lead it out of attention soon. This garden has just gone totally wild. But yeah, the soil was all scraped off of this whole area. This is a big flat area in the back. And I think they were going to build something back here. So I tilled the paths and threw the extra topsoil into these swales sort of. So it's a spiral. It's actually a spiral garden here. It goes around that way. And hopefully in the fall or next year I'll have this all cleared out and it'll be nice. But here's a whole bunch of locust trees. Got a little forest. There's a great big locust tree up there. Look at that. Whoa, she goes way up high. Yeah. Here's my bench. And poison ivy back here. Lots of it. Yeah. Luckily I'm not allergic. And there's my main garden on the other side of these trees. But I like this little wild place back here. It's sort of neat. And it's my observatory because I got a great view of the sky back here. Look at that.